our EVS class. And what we are going to do in EVS? Today I am going to tell you about your school. So what is the name of our school? SD Adarsh Vidyalaya. So all of you just tell me loudly, what is the name of your school? SD Adarsh Vidyalaya. And in which class you study? You all are in nursery class. Yes. So not only this, today we are going to see what are the different activities we do in school. How we enjoy our learning, our different circle time in school. So let's move and understand what all different activities we do in school. We do our learning, but in a fun-filled manner, a learning which is full of enjoyment. Let's see, let's move ahead. Okay? So class, now let's see what are the different things we do and enjoy in school. Okay, let's begin. So the very first thing, my school name is. I told you earlier also in the starting, what is the name of your school? SD Adarsh Vidyalaya, isn't it? So if anyone asks you, what is the name of your school? What you are going to say? What is the name of your school? SD Adarsh Vidyalaya. Clear everyone? Okay. Now, in which class you study? Yes, I told you that also. I study in nursery class. So you all are in nursery class. Clear? So you study in nursery class. Now what are the different things you enjoy? We do lot of fun activities, learning activities in school. For example, just look at this picture. See, they all are enjoying and learning as well. So we do learning with activities. We perform different activities and we learn different concepts. Now see, they are doing building blocks. They are playing with beads. So all this is a part of your learning. And you learn in a fun-filled way. Then a part of your subjects, you have different craft activities. Now see, do you remember? These are the activities we do when we are celebrating some festivals. We do different activities related to different festivals. Here, if you can see, you find such lanterns made of paper when, yes, at the time of Diwali. So it's an activity that we perform during Diwali. Not only this, we have many other activities like, now see, students have made such a beautiful Rakhi for Raksha Bandhan, isn't it? What are the other activities we enjoy in school? See, you all enjoy playing with your friends, isn't it? You enjoy a very fun time, a really nice time playing with your friends, taking swings in the school garden, playing with them in the ground, isn't it? Then what is going on here? You people enjoy learning together. See, two friends, they are sharing also and they are enjoying their learning, isn't it? So when we sit with our friend, when our friend and you, both of you sit together, you enjoy your learning, isn't it? आप अपने फ्रेंड के साथ जल्दी भी सीखते हो और अच्छा भी सीखते हो. Then next, what's going on here? See again, teacher is telling you about different activities. She is narrating stories. So you enjoy your story time also in the school. You enjoy painting, isn't it? You do so many coloring work. You make different beautiful objects in the school. You paint them, you color them. So we enjoy coloring also. Then what is the next? See, all friends are sitting together and enjoying their studies. So as I told you, जब हम अपने friend के साथ पढ़ते हैं, at that time our studies become a fun for us, isn't it? अकेले बैठ के पढ़ना तो boring लगता है, but when you do this activity with your friend, it becomes really, really interesting and enjoyable also. Then what else you do? See, friends, वहाँ पे friends are studying together and now all the friends are enjoying coloring together, isn't it? Now they are enjoying their coloring work. So class, moving back to the very first slide which I showed you, what is the name of your school? Hurry up, everyone, quickly. What is the name of your school? SD Adarsh Vidyalaya. Yes, your school name is SD Adarsh Vidyalaya. And in which class you study? You all study in nursery class. Clear, everyone? So what you have to do today? First, you have to learn the name of your school. Then you also have to learn in which class you study. Then try to collect what are the different activities we do in school. Is that clear to everyone? Hope you all have enjoyed and understood how we enjoy our learning in school. Not only related to subjects and activities, but we enjoy playing as well. So class, it's time to enjoy your studies at home also. Complete your work and submit it timely. Bye all. Take care.